T-Rex, 깨버려.
Grown up so much. Grown up so much. Grown up so much.
Who remembers T-Rex? This is T-Rex. Look, broken leg. This is T-Rex, that little T-Rex that we all remembered. The bloke that adopted him threw him back on the street, obviously. So now it's up to us to take care of him. As you can see, he's got a broken front leg as well. We don't know how that would have happened. It probably would have happened by a car accident or something. This is the first time I'm seeing T-Rex in a long time. Come, yeah, go T-Rex. Look. Poor thing, look at that. See that? See that, guys? We obviously can't leave this guy. I'm going to try to get him adopted. I'm going to take him to a shelter. So, see how that goes, guys. I'll update you guys soon. Hey guys, we just came to pick up T-Rex.
Oh, Trex.
Okay guys, so we're here with Kedim and Chada. We're going to pick up T-Rex. We're going to take him to the vet. We're going to get his, come, see this leg? We're going to break it and put it back into place. Can you see that? So we're going to fix this up, and then as soon as we fix it up, we're taking him straight to the shelter. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Gel seni götürüyoruz. Hadi gel. Hadi. T-Rex. Gel. Gel hadi gidiyorsun. Hadi. He's struggling to stay up. Hadi. Up. Up. Hadi. Okay guys. So. Going to be an easy ride, T-Rex. Going to get him cleaned up, get rid of all the ticks that he's got on him as well. Fix his legs up. Fix that leg up over there. We'll probably get like a stand put in or something. We'll probably get like a stand put in or something for his arm. Get like something put in there. And that's it. And we're going to get him adopted. So we'll update you soon, guys. We just bring T-Rex.
Bunu nereye sahiplendiriyorsunuz şimdi?
Çiğdem abla.
Ha, bizim Çiğdem. Şeye bakabiliriz.
Okay. Kind of wagging his tail. You're gonna be alright.
You're gonna be alright.
I'm just bring T-Rex here. He's gonna stay in this room. So he's got food, he's got water. We're gonna operate on his leg, the one that's broken. We're gonna break it back into place. And then as soon as he's done here, we're gonna take him to a shelter that takes care of disabled dogs. You see that? We're going to fix this back up. So we're going to break this and fix it back up. And here we'll probably get like a stand or something made for him. And then after that, we'll update you guys on how he goes with the surgery and everything. So thanks for everyone's support and everyone that's worked out.